theory of everything, which integrates and replaces relativity, quantum mechanics, and the Standard Model. Friends, with this drawing I want to express what my cosmic model or theory of everything means, which represents an integration or transformation of the current models of relativity, quantum mechanics, and above all, the Standard Model into a single classical model. To do this I will expose structural elements of this model, starting with the most basic ones. 1. We can initially divide the cosmos or universe into two-dimensional levels, which are the microcosm, atomic level, and the macrocosm, star level, the macrocosm being formed by the sum of units of the microcosm. The sum of atoms gives us stars. Both the microcosm and the macrocosm are formed and have the same elements, physical laws, forces, structure, etc. Logically, if stars are the sum of atoms, these stars will have the same attributes and properties that atoms have. 2. The expression spacetime is not a good definition of the basic elements of the cosmos, but rather it should be said, universal space motion. Time is just a way or parameter to measure universal motion, just as mass is a way to measure matter. United, space and universal movement give us the cosmic energy that occupies all cosmic space, and which manifests itself as lines of force towards all directions and senses of space. This cosmic energy is also the well-known dark energy, and also the ancient ether. 3. Cosmic energy, when it manifests itself as lines of concentric energy, or gravity, over any point in space, creates matter, or condensed cosmic energy. As we have pointed out before, matter is the cosmic energy condensed or compressed in a certain place, and its mass is the amount of this energy or matter of any type of particle. Immediately upon the creation of matter and its concentration in accumulations of it, a gravitational force field is first produced around this accumulated matter. But immediately, and as a force of pressure, expansion, and redistribution, magnetic fields are born from and around this nuclear matter, which create positive magnetic orbits where they will capture and maintain the orbitals necessary to achieve that average energy density required by the cosmos, dA. 5. Therefore, and primarily, all the matter in the cosmos tends to form orbital systems, nuclei with orbitals around them, to acquire a large volume and conserve the average energy density that the cosmos requires, dA. Here we begin to distinguish what are stable particles, or true particles, formed by orbital systems perfectly balanced in energy density, dA, which are unstable particles that do not form these perfectly balanced orbital systems, and therefore their magnetic fields will lead them to destroy themselves, or to look for companion particles that turn them into true orbital systems. Therefore, in particle accelerators what is obtained is not real, true, and well-defined particles, but rather pieces of unstable matter that quickly have to be destroyed and reconstruct true particles or orbital systems in energy balance. Therefore, the Standard Model is very far from being correct and defining what happens in the microcosm. 6. Electric charges are not located in the atomic nuclei, but are structured in the periphery, in the orbits of the magnetic fields around the nuclei. And this is easily demonstrated, since it is in these orbits where the electrons live, move, are captured or transferred, etc. They never go to the cores. 7. As for well-defined particles or quanta, these do not really exist, but the cosmic structure is rather defined by extensive ranges of particles, each of which has its own and different dimension from another neighbor. For example, photons, so basic for the Standard Model, are all different in dimensions, mass, which they also have, potential, energy charges, etc. The same in atoms that are multiple and diverse, etc. Well friends, this is just some basic notes of my model, to which I surely may have forgotten other important ones. Thank you for your attention and kindness.